can be defined as the addition of artificial or non-artificial substance such as nitrates and phosphate to fertilizer or sewage to a fresh water system. It leads to increase in primary productivity of water body or blooms to phytoplanktons. The another definition we can say about the eutrophication is, according to the OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, in the 70s, eutrophication is the enrichment of water by nutrient salt that cause structural changes to the ecosystem, such as increase in production of algae and aquatic plants, depletion of fish species, and general deterioration of water quality and other effects that reduce the preclude uses. So this one is another definition of eutrophication. The term eutrophication is more widely known in the relation to human activities where the artificial introduction of plants nutrient has led to the community changes and the deterioration of water quality in many freshwater systems. This aspect has become increasingly important with the increase in human population and more extensive development of agriculture, and eutrophication now rank with other major anthropogenic effects such as deforestation, global warming, depletion of ozone layer, and a large scale of environmental disturbance in relation to its potentially harmful effect on natural ecosystem. So, through this picture, we can understand what is the eutrophication. Here is a nutrient intake, and this nutrient intake goes in the water and it mix with the waters, and also algal bloom due to its mixture present nutrient mixture present in water. It helps to grow algal bloom that cover the surface area of water, which become hindrance to the entering sunlight into the water. So these organic nitrogen, phosphorus, and carbon mixed, and they make toxic substance such as H2S2, NH3, and CH4, hydrogen sulfate, ammonia, and methane. These algal blooms, after some time, it become dead and they die off and deposit in the deep of the pond, and due to the deposition of dead algae in the bottom of the pond, the bacterial activities become active, so the demand of oxygen become increase. So due to more eutrophication, BOD will also increase, and the dissolved oxygen in the water, the percentage of dissolved oxygen in the water become low. There is a cultural eutrophication or anthropogenic eutrophication. Both are the same. It is caused by the human activities because they are the responsible for addition of 80% nitrogen and 75% phosphorus in the lake and stream. Anthropogenic eutrophication is caused by the human activities like agricultural farms, golf courses, and lawns, etc. are the supplied with the nutrient by human in the form of fertilizers. These fertilizers are washed away by the rains and they eventually find their way into the water bodies such as the lakes and the river also. According to the survey of the state of the world lake eutrophication effects, we can see that 54% of Asian lakes are affected by the eutrophication, 53% of the Europe lake affected by the eutrophication, and 48% of those in the Northern Americas, and 41% of those in the Southern America, and the 28% of those in the Africa. The main cause of the eutrophication, we can say the availability of nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus limit the growth of plant in the ecosystem. When water bodies are overly enriched with these nutrients, the growth of algae, planktons, and other simple plant life is favored over the growth of more complex plant. Excessive use of fertilizers and concentrated animal feeding operation are also major source of the polluting nutrients. Industrial and domestic wastes are also responsible for the eutrophication. One condition is occur in the eutrophication, that is a hypoxia condition. Hypoxia is a condition when the excess growth of algae in eutrophobic water is accomplished by the generation of large biomass of dead algae. The dead algae sink to the bottom of the water body where they are broken down by bacteria which consume oxygen in the process. The overconsumption of oxygen leads to the hypoxic condition which is availability of oxygen is low in the water. The hypoxic condition at the lower levels in the water body leads to the suffocation and eventually death of the large life forms such as a fish and the fauna of the water. So at the last slide we can see the effects of eutrophication. The main impact on the eutrophication is like algal blooms cover the water bodies like rivers, lakes, stream, and the ocean, block light from the reaching the water, which prevent the aquatic plants from the photosynthesizing. The lack of photosynthesis cause oxygen deficiency, which result in the decline of the marine species. Hypoxic condition from where dead zones, which have not only negative ecological impact but also have economic issues. The water can have a bad taste, colors, and odors, which are negative impact on tourism. Government also invest more in the wastewater treatments. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you will like this video. So please watch this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel.